What's up, guys? It's raining. Who'd have thought? So we're gonna be staying inside today. We're not going out. We're just gonna go ahead and clean up the fish tanks and make sure that they're all taken care of. Yeah, let's get into it.
So what we're doing right now is our first step in cleaning the fish tanks. We're scraping the bottom. So the fish like to eat and they also like to do something else. So we're scraping all the stuff that they left in here so it doesn't clog for filters. It helps with temperature regulation. If the filters get clogged, then the fish tanks get cold. It's not ideal for the fish. It doesn't keep them happy or healthy. So we want to be able to have a clean tank so that we're able to get as many as we can from the breeding. The reason why we turn off we turn off the pump and then we put it to waste is so that not only some of the water gets drained out, some of it's dirty, but it gives us a better reach to be able to actually clean the filters, clean the tanks better. I guess it does give them some more fresh water. So yeah, once a little bit's gone, we scrape the sides. It gives us good reach to scrape the sides too, and then we just turn it back on and they get fresh water.
Yeah, we finished scrubbing the bottom of the tanks. We vacuumed out all of their excretions, and now we're going to wipe around the edges and then get to work on another segment of cage for the small fry tank.